Hi all and welcome! Okay, everyone has met stupid drivers on the road. Moving cars fail miserably. On a snowy, rainy road, a wide, easy road, these bad drivers always have a way to create unexpected accidents. Let's watch together. These poor drivers suddenly change lanes, moving in the opposite direction and causing a collision. Crossing a road without observation, fortunately these two cars still collided. The sudden accident happened very quickly. This bad truck driver has caused an extremely bad series of accidents. This car has a confusing moment that causes the accident. The distracted driver has crashed from the back of the car. Now, it's a pity that this can be driven by such a bad driver. Watch the performance of the two well-qualified drivers. It's just eye-catching. This pickup truck suddenly changes lanes, causing to overtake and hit the other vehicle. You know this is a very powerful 4x4. The driver has an accident while taking it off onto the truck. No one understands what's going to happen to this car. Fortunately, the woman inside was not hit. Now there's definitely something wrong with the pickup truck in front. However, the following car really didn't keep a safe distance. He continued to rush to the rear of the car. That's just stupid. These trucks are carrying goods exceeding the allowed height. The camera has caught a nice moment of the car losing control coming to the turn. A self-inflicted serious accident. This car is going way too fast. At the intersection, due to being out of sight, the woman has knocked down the yellow car. This girl, I'd say, has a pretty unique car. The driver has a confusing parking phase, and it's going to need to be repaired. What is she doing? This car is moving very fast, causing an accident from behind. It makes the car in front lose control and just fly off the roadway. Snowy weather, and this car has lost control. A getaway car is being chased by the police. Now this truck will help you find a new driving sensation. The car has overturned, rolling many times. Careless drivers cause a minor collision. Oh, how can the car fly like that? I do respect the driver with this level of skill. My God.
Hashtag.
An unexpected crossing of the street with bad speed control.
Oh, you alright?
What about Marcus Simmons?
Now this truck is remaining at the same speed while all the other cars ahead have stopped. The consequences are poor. Another car moving at extremely high speeds, causing an accident, and the car lost control, being thrown right off the roadway. This car has completely spun off. The passing car has completely crashed into the opposite. Idiots in cars. The all-terrain vehicle, it has failed. This car still has to try many times to overcome this dirt challenge. This truck has gone crazy on the narrow road, causing a serious incident, and the driver himself is in danger. The car moving at high speeds has recklessly overtaken, causing an accident. Oh, that poor Lexus in front. Poor. He's been hit from behind. Oh no, an overturned truck. Oh, okay. The moving car at extremely high speeds has almost hit the person on the grass. That was lucky. This naughty dog is bound to cause a disaster. Thank you everyone for your interest in watching our videos. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Bye-bye.